When it comes to engine room watchkeeping, there are some critical do's and don'ts that every marine engineer must know. Let's dive right into it. First and foremost, wearing proper personal protective equipment, or PPE, is non-negotiable. This includes hard hats, safety goggles, gloves, and steel-toed boots. The engine room can be a hazardous place with heavy machinery and potential spills. By wearing the right gear, you're not just protecting yourself, you're ensuring that you can perform your duties without unnecessary risk. Next up is the importance of following checklists. Checklists are your best friend in the engine room. They help you keep track of essential tasks and ensure that nothing is overlooked. Whether it's checking oil levels, monitoring temperatures, or inspecting safety equipment, a checklist keeps you organized and accountable. It's easy to get distracted, especially in a busy environment, so having that written guide can save you from costly mistakes. Now, let's talk about reporting abnormalities. If you notice something unusual, don't brush it off. Report it immediately. Whether it's a strange noise from a pump or an unexpected temperature rise, these could be signs of a bigger issue. Prompt reporting can prevent minor problems from escalating into major failures. Remember, being proactive is key in maintaining safety and efficiency in the engine room. Keeping your tools organized is another crucial aspect of watchkeeping. A cluttered workspace can lead to accidents and inefficiencies. Make it a habit to store tools in designated places and regularly check that everything is in order. This not only helps you find what you need quickly, but also minimizes the risk of losing tools or causing injuries. Now, why do these rules matter? It's simple: safety and efficiency. By adhering to these practices, you're not just protecting yourself, you're also safeguarding your crew and the vessel. A well-maintained engine room is vital for the smooth operation of the ship. When everyone follows these guidelines, it creates a culture of safety and responsibility that benefits everyone on board. In conclusion, engine room watchkeeping is a serious responsibility. Wearing proper PPE, following checklists, reporting abnormalities, and keeping tools organized are all essential practices that every marine engineer should embrace. By doing so, you contribute to a safer and more efficient working environment. Remember, it's not just about doing your job, it's about doing it safely and effectively.